Hello and welcome back to my channel where we explore the best ways to make money using Chat GPT-4. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some of the top methods you can use to earn a significant amount of money using Chat GPT-4. Method 1. Online surveys. The first method is taking online surveys. Many companies are always looking for customer feedback on their products and services. By answering their surveys, you can earn some extra cash. Chat GPT-4 can be used to automatically fill in surveys for you, saving you time and energy. Method 2. Content creation. Another way to make money with Chat GPT-4 is by creating content for websites and social media platforms. You can write articles, product descriptions, social media posts, and much more. By using Chat GPT-4, you can speed up your writing process, which means you can take on more jobs and increase your income. Method 3. Transcription. Transcription is another way to make money with Chat GPT-4. Many companies are in need of transcription services, where you listen to audio and transcribe it into text. Using Chat GPT-4 can help speed up the transcription process, making it easier for you to complete more jobs. Method 4. Virtual assistants. Lastly, you can become a virtual assistant using Chat GPT-4. Many companies are looking for virtual assistants to help them with administrative tasks, customer service, and much more. With Chat GPT-4, you can automate many of these tasks, which means you can complete more tasks in less time, increasing your income. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money with Chat GPT-4. By using this technology, you can speed up your work, take on more jobs, and increase your income. Whether you decide to take online surveys, create content, transcribe, or become a virtual assistant, there are many opportunities out there for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on making money with Chat GPT-4.